We're going to do this page again because I forgot to pronounce these words. So let's pronounce these together, and we might just kind of go backward in this revised version, additional version. Everyone say pleiotropy. This is the case where one gene has this many manifestations. Everyone say polygenic. Here is an example of something that is considered polygenic, some trait. And then lastly, everybody say recombinant. Recombinant. This is the combination of DNA from two different organisms, probably artificially done.